Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about AWS ELB. For this, you will first need to log in to your AWS account. In this particular lab, we are going to launch two Ubuntu 18.04 instances and install Apache 2 on them, and then later put them both on a load balancer and check whether the Apache portal appears when we use the DNS of the load balancer. So now we are going to first launch our EC2 instance. Click on Launch Instance. Select the AMI which you require, that is Ubuntu 18.04. Now choose the instance type, which is T2 Micro, and let us put two instances in the number of instances because we need two instances right now. The default storage is enough. No tags required as of now. And now going to security groups, let us add an extra rule which is going to allow all traffic. This is only okay to be used in a test environment. It cannot be used in any working environment. So click on review and now launch instance. So now it's going to ask us to create a key pair. Click on new key pair and I'm naming my key pair Anmol key and download the key now. Now click on launch instance. Let us now go to Putty Gen. Putty Gen is going to basically allow us to convert the PEM file which we just downloaded right now into a private key. Click on Save Private Key and give your private key a name. So once this is done, let us get into one of our instances which we have launched. Copy the public IP address and open Putty. Now we are going to browse for the private key which we just saved. Click on yes and you're in. So now let us type Ubuntu and we are going to log in as Ubuntu. The first thing you do is become the root user. Type sudo su. Once you are the root user, let us update the system. apt update. Once the update is done, let us now install Apache 2. apt install Apache 2 -y. Yes, Apache is installed. Now let us basically start this Apache 2. So it's service Apache 2 start. Let's check the status. And yes, it is running. So now what we are going to do is we are going to copy the public IP address and paste it on the browser. And yes, it shows that Apache 2 is working. So now let us go into instance 2. Copy the public IP address, get into Putty. Paste the public IP address and browse for the private key which you just saved. We are again going to log in as Ubuntu. Now become the root user, sudo su. Let us update apt update -y. Let us install Apache. apt install apache2-y. Once Apache is installed, we are going to start Apache. Service Apache2 start. Let us check the status. Service Apache2 status. And yes, it's running. Now, copy the public IP address of the VM and paste it in the browser. Yes, Apache 2 is running. So now, let us put these two instances on a load balancer. Click on Load Balancer. Create Load Balancer. Let us go with the classic load balancer. Give your load balancer a name. I am naming mine Anmol LB. Click on Next. And in security groups, create a new security group and again allow all traffic. This is only okay for test environments. Now, select both the EC2 instances. Review and create. Click on Create. Your load balancer will be created very soon. Yes, it is created. So let us get into the load balancer now. Now, select the DNS name, copy it and paste it in the browser. Yes, you can see that Apache 2 was running. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.